Look at that, Dendron. Oh god, my favorite. Six-time Western Cup Championship, Dale Earnhardt has a loyal and devoted following among racing fans. His expedition driver skills, coupled with a richer Charles team ability to field a winning race car, has proven to be a combination that continued to come out on top. This replica of the 1994 race winning Lumina now brings that excitement to the modern war. Yeah, no shit. And also, the company that make this, it is Monogram. Age of 10 or above. Yeah, maybe painting to match box art, cement and paint not included. Yeah, no shit, of course it's not. The trademark, Chevrolet and Lumina are used under license of General Motors Corporation. Sport Image Incorporated owns an exclusive franchise right to sell this product to all racing variants and associate concerns. Any sales of this product may any party other than the Sport Image at these racing value, and conceal is illegal, licensed by Sports Image 1994. Just to let you know, guys, I did eliminate this because I feel like see already the box. It's literally interrogating, and I don't want to ruin it much further, so that's why I eliminate. It's making nice feel. This is the directions. I don't know. I am probably not going to put these boxes because I didn't do the model from scratch. So just that being said, is I'm gonna go ahead and just put some random pieces together because just let you know I am finishing my dad's build.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be we're gonna be
let me go ahead and put this directions right here so you guys can, well, not like that, but alright, it's not perfect, but it is what it is. So here's the Earnhardt wheel. Oh, sorry, this buoy's too big. The buoy. Alright, let me go ahead and do, I will just go ahead and just do this. Couple of rounds. Okay, with the hood off. Come on, okay, come on, don't be shy now. Remove your hood. Well, as you can see, oh wait, hold on. It's clear. Oh my goodness, I love this. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I gotta see inside. Can you see now, guys? Here's the back. Hopefully you guys can see. Alright. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around just enough for guys to talk to you guys. Just to let you know, I did not build this. My dad built the engine. My dad built most of the models. I'm this one that finished my dad's build. This is one of them. One of the Earnhardt. He is a big fan of Earnhardt, and he also, I believe, he's also a big fan of the 8 car. What does the 8 car? I don't know his name, but I pretty much only know two drivers in the NASCAR franchise: Jimmy Johnson 48 and Dale Earnhardt number. Tell me how I did. Did I do a good job? I mean, I did build a couple of the pieces that is not really finished, so I mean, hopefully that might count as something. So now it's finished. Now I can literally put this on the shelf right now. Sorry, too close. Yeah, I can put this on the shelf. So hit the like and thank you for watching, guys. Flocka.